YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing the Y2K rollover, Meet the Spy. Those are the same things. And the Zen rollover, basic opening, basic closing, and a thing that I made up. So this is the basic opening and closing. Here. This is the basic opening. This is the basic close. And to do that, you just go here. This is the basic close. You go like this, this, and that. And for the basic opening, it's just the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. And the Zen rollover is a little bit harder. It's pretty much the end of beginning, like beginners. And it goes, and it's a little bit harder. So for that one, you have to hold it like this. Preferably the one without the latch. Go like this. Like, you have to make it go like this. And for that, it was little bit harder. So you kind of have to hold it like this, and then curve your finger. More up here would be a little better. And then hold it like that. And try to get it like around your thumb. Once you got that, you want to like let go. It'll go around your thumb. You have to catch it, and then just do the basic opening. And that's the Zen rollover. Next is the Y2K rollover, or Meet the Spy. And it's kind of like the Zen rollover, just horizontally. And it goes like that. It's just the same thing as a Zen rollover, just this time you gotta go like this, and whenever you do it, it'll, wait, no. You have to go like this, and this time when you do it, it'll go all the way around your thumb, catch it, just like that. So then, this is my move. You go out, in, out, basic opening. And that's about all I have, and goodbye.